Hello unique divas, hope you guys are doing great. Alright guys, for today's tutorial I'll be teaching you how I made this beautiful Zara cap. So without taking your time, let's move straight to the tutorial. For this project I got 1 yard of light damask. Okay, this is light damask fabric, and I cut out this piece, and this is 28 inches length by 30 inches width. Please, the 30 inches width is on fold, so if you fold it you'll be getting 15 inches. But if you don't fold it, the width part is 30 inches. The reason why it's up to 30 inches is because I want to do what we call inside hemming. I want to hem everything. I don't want to weave it later. Alright, so I'll be sewing it round, and I will leave some portion at this edge where I will use and turn it out. You understand? I want to turn it out. So this is how it is after sewing the whole thing out. You can see the way it is. I said I don't want to weave the inner part. Yes. So at that part where I turned the fabric out, I'll be folding it in and I will sew it. Guys, why I'm doing this is because this is for a client, and she said she need a neat work, that I should do lining, and like I should line it. So I decided to double the fabric, and this is the outcome. So I'll be using my Mako as usual. If you are good in Zara Cap, this should not be new to you. The length of the Mako is 20 inches by 3 inches width. Alright, so I'll be fixing it this way. Please, the reason why I'm showing this part is for beginners. I've had many requests from different people that I should please teach how to form Zara Cap. Note, it's not a must you do this line design, like lining it, okay? Alright, so after folding it this way, we're sewing this part. You sew it down, but avoid sewing the Mako. While sewing, please avoid it. So after doing this, I'll be pushing it down this way. So this sewn part will go down, like it will not be seen. Alright, so after sewing it, after pushing it down, I'll be folding it like this. So I'll ensure that the Mako and the edge of this fabric aligns to each other. And after doing that, I'll be using my pin to just hold one side. It's not a must you double your fabric, okay? This is because it's strictly for a client. So I'll be using this 1-inch elastic to insert here. The reason why I normally attach elastic to my Zara Cap is so it will fit anyone. This work came to me from Lagos. A client saw my work online and she decided to book it. So decided to do it and show you guys how I made this. So what we'll be doing is, after inserting the elastic here, sew the other side where I'm holding. Then before you sew this edge, drag it, then you sew. You understand? You can see what I'm doing. Drag it, then you sew it. So this is how it will be. You can see the way it's looking now. So I did the same thing on the other side, and this outcome. So next thing we'll be doing is to fold it from the back. You understand? The back of the fabric. Then take it to a sewing machine and sew down. After sewing, this is the outcome. So we're using your needle and thread to form your running stitch. Remember I said this one is just for beginners, people that are still new in Zara Cap. That's why I'm showing this process. Then when you reach this place, please avoid this elastic. Don't do your running stitch on top of the elastic. Just avoid it and complete your stitch. You understand? Just avoid the elastic. Then this is the outcome. I'll be turning it out, and this is how the Zara Cap is. And I'll show you the design on top. The design I'll be attaching at the back. Please, I'll be doing a free headwear giveaway on my Facebook channel. If you're not following on Facebook, go and type Unique Nelo or Udeko Guchinelo, the way you see it on the screen. So you will get a free headwear. It will be delivered at your doorstep. I said, let me share this to you guys. So if you're interested in this giveaway, comment interested, so I'll send the Facebook link to you, okay? Alright, so over to the tutorial. This is the fabric I'll be using for the back design, and the length measures 18 inches by 12 inches width. So I'll be folding the length part. You understand? This is the length part. Just fold it this way, the way I just saying. Then take it to your sewing machine and sew this tip down from here. Sew it down and take it down here, but leave this part open, okay? So, and this is another fabric which I'll be sewing again. This fabric, I cut it into 5 pieces, and it measures 9 inches length by 6 inches width, okay? I cut it 5 pieces, fold it this way and sew down. So I'll be doing the same thing to the other piece. Alright, the first fabric which I've folded, I've turned it out, and this is the way it is. And after sewing it, I measured it, and I later got 8 inches length. You understand? That length part later turned to 8 inches. Then the width still remained 12 inches. I don't know if you understand me. So I've been starting this foam. This foam is 1/2 inch foam. And this foam measures, the length measures 8 inches, while the width measures 12 inches. So I'll be starting it inside this fabric just the way you're seeing it. And you can see the way it is. I'll be folding the tip this way. So please, while doing this, don't sew on top of the foam, just sew on top of the fabric. Avoid the foam. So take it to your sewing machine and sew down. So this is the way it looks. So the next thing I'll be doing now is to form my bow with it. It will be puffy. It gave it that huge puffy look. So just fold in pleats to get your bow design. Then after forming your bow design, I used my needle and thread to tack the center of this. So guys, while doing this, please, once you not as in once you pass your needle, you can roll it the way you can see and just tighten your hand so the effect of that bow will come out very neat. Okay, so this is me adjusting and trying to make it more beautiful, and that is it. All right, so I'll be setting this aside. Okay, then over to the other pieces which I cut out, that 5 pieces. Okay, I turned it out the way you're seeing it, and I've already inserted crinoline here. So this is 3 inches crinoline. So what you will do is take 3 inches crinoline and insert inside this. Then cut out with your scissors, okay? You can use lighter to hem the mouth so the crinoline will glue to the fabric. I don't know if you understand me. So this is how I did it, and I'll be using the 5 of them to form my half bow. Just watch and see what I'll be doing. This design can also be attached on your turban. I've seen different people that used this particular design to design their turban. So you can use this particular design I'm forming now to design your turban cap. Okay? Alright. Please guys, lest I forget, if you read this level and you've not liked this video, please kindly do so. You can also drop on the comment section. Even if it's thank you, you hear me echoing, you're welcome. I also need that your prayers, that God bless you, ma. That God bless you, ma. I really need it. Please, just drop a comment and you can like. Alright, just support my ministry, please. Alright, so after attaching the first 3, you can see these 3, I attached it together. I left those the other 2 because I'll be sewing that 2 together. Then after sewing it and adjusting the fabric, you'll be knotting the edge. So the 3 will be together. Okay? Alright. So once I'm done with this, I'll be doing same thing on this particular 2. The same thing I just did here now. I'll be doing it on this other 2 fabric. So I'll have 3 and 2. You understand? So these are the pieces of the fabric. This is time to do join. So I'll be taking this first 2 to attach at the back here. I will just sew with my needle and thread, sew it down. I'm done sewing. I'll be taking this bowed one, this bow, and I'll be using my needle and thread as well to tack it down, just the way you are seeing here. Okay, just tack it down and don't tacking it here. And the third and the last one is the 3-in-1 bow, that one you're seeing there, and I'll be placing it on top this way again. Guys, I always say this, it's all about creativity. It's not a must you do what I just showed you here. You understand, you can create something around this and it will come out beautiful. So this is the outcome, the whole thing. And trust unique, I won't leave it this way. I had to drop some rich at the back to boost the beauty. So you can use any extra fabric, any rose, any applique to beautify yours. And I later added these fringes, these beaded fringes. Yes, I attached it there. So what you will do is rub your candle gum. Use your glue gun to rub your candle gum hair on top of this and wrap it around the Zara cap, and you will see it coming out beautiful. Guys, if you have not liked this video, please kindly do so. I so much appreciate you. For those that be commenting, also do so. If you want to join the giveaway, comment interested. Comment interested. So I will send the link to you. Every cap you are seeing there will be given out for free, and the web view will be done for free to your doorstep. Thanks for staying up to this time. I love you all. See you guys in my next video. Bye.